Hey everyone, Wheelie here. So today we're exploring Old Castle Road, just north of Escondido in the Valley Center area. It's one of those roads I've been meaning to check out for a while, and honestly, I'm kind of surprised more people don't talk about this route. So we're coming off Gopher Canyon Road right now, and Old Castle Road starts out pretty mellow. Nothing too crazy yet, but just wait, the scenery is about to change pretty dramatically. Okay, so here's where things start to get interesting. You can see these beautiful old oak trees starting to pop up everywhere. This area is called Moosa Canyon, and it's got this really peaceful, almost timeless vibe to it. What I love about this road is that it's got this perfect mix of open views and shaded sections under the oaks. It's like you're getting a little bit of everything. Definitely a nice break from some of the more exposed desert rides around here. So, fun fact about this road, it's actually named after a real castle. Well, a castle turret to be exact. Back in the 1890s, an artist named Isaac Frazee built this Scottish-style castle tower up in these hills. He wanted to recreate something from his ancestors' homeland. You can actually catch glimpses of it from certain spots along the road if you know where to look. It's called Warland Castle, and there's even a 60-foot waterfall somewhere back there in the property. Pretty cool piece of local history hidden away in these hills. Now, this road isn't super technical or anything, but it's definitely more interesting than just a straight shot. You've got some nice curves, a few little elevation changes. It keeps you engaged, you know? The pavement is also in pretty good shape, which is always appreciated. And traffic, well, it's pretty light, especially on an early Saturday morning. You can actually just relax and enjoy the ride. Man, look at these views though. This is what I'm talking about. You've got these rolling hills, the valleys spreading out below. On a clear day like today, you can see for miles. This is inland San Diego County at its best. It's not the coast and it's not the desert yet. It's this in-between zone that has its own unique character. And honestly, I think it's pretty underrated. Roads like this are exactly why I love to ride. Sure, everyone knows about the Pacific Coast Highway or Palomar Mountain or some of the more famous routes. And those are great, don't get me wrong. But there's something special about finding these quieter roads that not everyone's talking about, where you can just cruise. Take in the scenery, not worry about a ton of traffic or crowds or anything like that. Plus, the Vespa is absolutely perfect for this kind of riding. I've got enough power to enjoy the road, but I'm not going so fast that I miss all the little details. The way the light filters through the trees, the smell of the vegetation, all the good stuff. If you're thinking about checking out Old Castle Road yourself, here's what you should know. It runs from Gopher Canyon Road just off the exit of I-15, just north of Escondido, and it winds its way east through Valley Center. The whole stretch is maybe 5 or 6 miles before it connects with other roads in the area, so on its own it's not a super long ride, but it's perfect if you're linking together a route through Valley Center, or if you just want a quick scenic escape that's close to the city. The best time to ride? I would say the morning or late afternoon. You want to get that nice light and not have it be crazy hot, and you also want the road to be pretty empty. Fall and spring are also ideal because the hills are green in the spring and you just can't beat the weather in the fall. went up to the end of the ride here, and honestly, this was exactly what I needed today. Just a simple, beautiful ride through some great scenery. Sometimes the best rides aren't the most extreme or the most famous. Sometimes they're just roads like this, peaceful, scenic, and right in your backyard. So if you're in North San Diego County or you're looking for a chill cruise with some nice views, definitely put Old Castle Road on your list. You will not be disappointed. Alright everyone, thanks for riding along with me today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and drop a comment to let me know what else I need to check out. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep exploring and I'll see you on the road. Ciao!